How to invite someone to join your TikTok live. What's up everybody? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily invite your friends or someone on your TikTok account to join your TikTok live. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's begin. First thing first, you have to open up your TikTok, and once you open up your TikTok app, what you need to do is head over to your profile. So as you guys know, the bare minimum requirement to go live on TikTok is 1,000 followers. So if you have 1,000 followers, you are eligible to go live on TikTok. And how do you do that? You just have to tap on this plus icon at the bottom right here. Once you tap on the plus icon, if you swipe right, you'll find the live section right here. If you are eligible to go live, you can just tap on go live to start your live. And then you will find something like co-host at the bottom left corner of your screen. So you just tap on co-host. That means you are trying to invite someone to join as a co-host on your live. And then something like this will pop up on your screen where you are able to invite all of your TikTok friends. Just tap on invite besides the name, and they will be notified that you're inviting them to your TikTok live. So that is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.